Sickle cell is a hemoglobin problem which is an inherited condition. Most people lack awareness of their family history of sickle cell. Having knowledge about sickle cell status will help both you, yourself, and your family in future decision making, especially if you develop a medical condition. So getting tested is important. A sickle cell trait or carrier person has only one mutation in the hemoglobin gene. A person with sickle cell disease carries mutations in both the hemoglobin genes. The term sickle cell disease is preferred as the older term sickle cell anemia was less popular, as anemia does not always have to be present in these patients. The persons with sickle cell carrier or trait are normal and healthy, but can sometimes have issues, especially when they go at high altitude or in extremes of temperature or with overexertion. So it is a good idea for even young healthy persons to be tested for sickle cell. In India, the sickle cell phenotype is very variable. Some patients with the sickle cell disease, that is those carrying two mutations, can suffer severe pain and recurrent vaso-occlusive crisis. They can develop organ damage without any treatment. So it's very important to have treatment available, and hydroxyurea is available in our country both as capsules and as liquid preparation. With good dosing and monitoring, the patients can do well. They also need other supportive care, but with good care, the complications can be prevented. We have seen patients with sickle cell disease who may not even know that they have the sickle cell disease, but in later life they develop complications such as hip joint problems called avascular necrosis or cardiac or stroke problems. These complications could have been prevented if they were aware of their sickle cell disease and had received treatment. So it's important for awareness to be there to help these persons. Newer treatment options are now being developed and will change the outcome of this disorder considerably. So don't be afraid. Disorders caused by mutations occur due to past environmental pressures and they get inherited in a family. No one is to blame, but knowledge of these conditions can help you improve your health and your family's health. If you know your carrier status, you can make informed decisions. Ask your doctor for more information. Take care, be aware.